Hey, buddy.
How many Wisconsin players are on the girls' team, do you know?
Hey, buddy, what is that? Is that good stuff?
Okay, watch, we will. All right, the U.S. China, get it set. We'll send it to Doc Emrick and A.J. Lesko for the opening faceoff.
Does he like them?
Rebuilding America's economy will take
Chew it, buddy.
resources. And here's some good news. Increased production of domestic oil and natural gas will also create well-paying jobs, drive our 21st century economy, and generate more than $1 trillion for federal, state, and local budgets. Money for better schools, public safety, and community. Maybe that's what most of us are doing more of America's oil and
Chewing it
natural
up.
gas. For Americans. Go on to learn more.
Chew, buddy.
When cold symptoms threaten to take Apollo Ono's power, he takes Big Steak
Oh man, it's all over his chops.
and gets his power back. Big Steak Cold, powerful daytime cold and flu symptom relief.
Trouble never sleeps, but sometimes
Yeah, it's good, isn't it?
no, don't worry.
What is it?
The
Just
good hands are always
It's banana peanut butter chicken liver
yum.
deliciousness.
Sounds great.
Yeah, it was really fun to make.
Did it stink?
The chicken liver smelled pretty bad. What do you think, buddy? Huh?
Gosh, I wanna know.
What do you think, bud, huh? Is it good stuff?
Good job.
Tinker.
You know, I would have bit into one of those probably. I would have had one.